Chinese brand Honor is preparing to launch a new smartphone series called Win, which may go on sale by the end of December. Reported that the Win series will replace the GT2. Shared drawings that confirm a horizontal matrix camera, and this is the first look. The device will be available in black, blue, and cyan colors and features a large camera island housing 3 sensors and what appears to be an active cooling fan. We can also spot the Win series branding on the side of the camera island. Recent reports have suggested that the base model will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite, whereas the higher version will pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Honor Win will have a large flat display with a resolution of 1.5K, a durable metal body, and advanced water resistance. The main camera has a 50MP sensor. One of the two devices is also rumored to bring a massive 10,000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging support. It is still unknown whether the Honor Win smartphones will be released outside the Chinese market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.